Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Granthraj, Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 18, Shloka number 4. Bhagavatam 1:18-4. No misconceptions at the time of death. No misconceptions at the time of death. Na uttama shloka vartanam. Na uttama shloka vartanam. Jushatam tat kathamrutam. Jushatam tat kathamrutam. Syat sambhramonta kalepi. Syat sambhramonta kalepi. Smaratam tat padambujam. Smaratam tat padambujam. Na uttama shloka vartanam. Jushatam tat katamrutam. Syan sambhramonta kalepi. Smaratam tat padambujam. This is a conversation between Suta Goswami and the sages in the Naimisharanya. This was so because those who have dedicated their lives to the transcendental topics of the personality of Godhead, of whom the Vedic hymns sing, and who are constantly engaged in remembering the lotus feet of the Lord, do not run the risk of having misconceptions even at the last moment of their lives. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.